Okay guys, what kind of exciting news? I got a new tent. I did it for a couple of reasons. One, my dad bought one and it kind of put the bug in my ear. And as much as I love our little Safacus one-person tent, I'm sure you've seen us camp with those in the past. I'm sure you'll see me compare them to Jordan's in the future. I love that tent. It's a great tent. But I got this either Clost-nature, but they spell it with a C. I don't know. Two-person tent. I did quite a bit of research. Had to have 16-inch poles. It had to be wide enough to fit me and some gear, or me and my daughter if we want to go camping. You know, it's never bad to have a two-person tent. But I really like how it came in the package here. And I'm not going to really talk much. I'm just going to build it. And it's kind of windy out here. So as much fun as you guys would like to see me do it in the wind, I think what I'll do is I'll come indoors here. I'll cheat. And you guys can watch me build this thing. Puppy dog thinks he's gonna help. Now, while I have watched other people on YouTube build this tent when I was researching, I never have, so this really is a first go round. These poles, they feel really high quality as compared to my Safacus, because these are aluminum poles and those ones are fiberglass. So the difference in quality, it feels good. Hey, look. No. So I really like that whole freestanding where you build the poles and then you build the tent to it instead of trying to get them through and which one do you go through. In fact, that was one of the requirements of mine when I was buying a tent, is I wanted the freestanding, and I really like the way it turned out. The tent feels good. It went together quick. I'm going to throw the rain tarp on, and we'll check that out. This is a really nice thick material. No, that ain't right. Maybe. Maybe. I might be okay. Oh yeah. Checking it good. So I've actually got it on backwards to you guys. This can be staked out here for a little, the vestibule there. Store some gear in, but this other side here is, this is something I really liked. So, and then I take this and I can actually tie that off to my bike. I'll kind of show you here. And then you use some string there. Tie this up, and then you've got a little dry spot. And yet the vestibules still come out. So I really like it. It's feels high quality. It feels like there's plenty of room. I really like how much room. It is a true two-person tent. You could easily fit 2 people in here, or your gear. Nice big vestibules. I really like it. So as you can see, I'm kind of a child, and after breaking this tent down, I wanted to set it back up and actually get my camp set up. But it is really nice. I really like this. I usually carry a tarp to do this. Probably already said that. But I'm really happy with this overhead thing. I'm also happy about the fact that I can fit my cup of coffee, my helmet, my panniers, my boots, my extra shoes, my other pannier. Plenty of room. Get my towel down as a, to keep my feet clean as I come into my tent. Really nice setup. I also like that there's plenty of room to sit here and put my shoes on indoors, and there's not even going to be rain. If it is raining, this will completely keep me dry. Now, that being said, this is not a name brand, very expensive tent that you can buy. As I said, I spent about $90 on it, and that seems high. But I think it's going to pan out really, really, really well. And as I said, stick around and enjoy a couple photos. Me and my brother, we were testing length and stuff, and he's 6'1", no, 6'2", and he was wearing boots and laying on the ground, not on the 4-inch mat, but he could put his hands above his head, and his motorcycle boots still weren't touching. So this is a huge tent. You can actually fit 2 people, or like I intend on doing it, 1 person and all my gear. So stay fancy.